Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open a set of web pages with Microsoft Edge, a startup in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Edge settings, select this one, a start home and new tabs option. On the right, under when Edge starts, select this one option, open these pages. Then beside this one pages option, click on this one add a page button. Now type your website address you want to load with the startup of Edge browser, and then click on this one add button. To add more pages, again click on this one add a page button. Now type different address. Then click on this one add button. To add more pages, again click on this one button and add more pages. After that, close the every tab of the Edge browser and reopen the Edge browser on your Windows PC. It will automatically load that web pages that you have specified in the Edge browser settings.